Onsay check ka sa parlor. True. Check ka rin na, uy. Oh my God, really naawa.
UCSP. Hi, Bash.
Hello, Bash. Alam mo yung kan ka rin, very beanie.
I know, right?
Yeah, beanie biracha.
My God, it's really hot today. I don't know why.
As in, promise, super hot. I don't know. May nag-aircon naman ng mini, 17 na siya.
Grabe ka, humid good ang lapu-lapu
And then
today.
with electric fan pa and also.
With fan, with AC and all. I think it's because of the lighting as well.
Most, because of hot kasi siguro kay kaong.
Thank you so
kayo. Very
much.
beanie.
But anyway, I'd like to thank all the people who watched our episodes sa YouTube and Spotify.
Yes.
So far, lami ratang engagement. And yeah, today we'll be recording another one for all of you.
Yes.
And we actually haven't finalized what to talk about really.
Wala, Jude. Because for the information of everyone, every time na mahimo mig episode, mag-discuss me about what will be our topic. However, usahay na topic nga di ko ganahan, na sa topic nga sila di sa ganahan. So it changed na mo, and then there's a topic nga mag-okay me, and then ini next na sa good day nga okay mo ni kato i-record na ato na magkuha na ta unsa tani mag-record na ta. Mag-change na sa din na. So para makaibawtanan, this is a very random shit na kuan. Kaya it's not scripted or anything. So muna siya. So
And I think that's a good thing because magkita nila atong genuine nga reaction, no?
yes, I really don't know if genuine, but you can.
But anyway, you're listening to UCSP.
CSP. Unsay check us sa parlor. By the way, my name's Shane.
And this is Lyle.
So, Lyle, how was your week, Di?
My week, kind of typical. Nothing really new and fantastic or mga significant nga nahitabo. But my work week was fine. I was productive. And yesterday, actually over the weekend, we were busy because we were actually thinking of uploading some contents throughout the week, in the middle of the week, because I think one episode per week sometimes is diba, very bitin.
Oh, very bitin. And then too long to the next episode na mag-wait.
So what we did over the weekend, we talked to some of our friends, and
so random siya nga kanang it was a random thing to do. It's because of course kuling na mo mga friends, and then all of a sudden ma-shock sila kay na di may mga microphones na bit na na may mga kanang topics to discuss there, then mo to nga ma-cut off guard sila. Pero however, so,
and maybe mga family members, if we have good relationship with them.
Good relationship. Ani na lang, so family members is a relationship. So let's talk about it. Okay, murag nakuan ko na bagting ko sa imong relationship if you have a good relationship with them.
Let's talk about relationships. Different relationships. Okay, so probably let's break it down to 3 parts.
Sige.
First, probably let's just say family relationship, and then your friendship, your relationship with your friends, and most importantly, the third one is
relationship,
romantic relationship.
Somebody close to your heart, or romantic.
Okay, yes, perfect.
Sige. Someone closest to your heart.
Close to your heart.
Closest dyan lang ako. Mo close ra good.
Close ra.
So anyway, so let's start with family.
Okay, I want to start off because I guess I don't want to insinuate or something. Yours will be a bit long.
Yeah, kaya mo siya.
Okay, so I'm gonna start off
Sige,
by saying that right now my relationship with my family is quite okay. We had rough times, but we were able to rekindle the fire.
Yes.
Rekindle the fire.
Oh,
and
for everyone and who's watching, I just want to ask if complete ba imong family, like you still have your mother and your father?
My mother died, diba? I told the first episode, my mother died when I was 3 due to cancer. And with my father, we were able to patch things up. And okay na, we're like civil in a relationship, father and daughter ba ako?
Yes.
Relationship. And my sisters were really good. We're like, maraming barkada sa mga sisters.
So how many of you in your family? Sa siblings?
3. But then we also have other siblings, and I can't even give you an exact number because basig na apay mga wala pa na
So, in progress pa ron.
In progress pa siya. Basig na pa yung mga random na mga siblings. But yeah, so far with my lolo and lola, my cousins, my...
So, you mean to say, kan pa ka na mo, complete pa siya.
Okay na
except
siya, yes.
for-
I'm actually looking forward to celebrating Christmas with them this December.
this coming December. It's Christmas.
Yes. So, not much to talk about with my family.
No. I just want to talk about if you're... Ako dyan ko ano.
How about you? Did you have very good and
Relationship
makaingon ka-
with my family, especially with my parents. That's what I mean. Kuan
like
siya.
family in general?
Like family, lahi magud akong relationship with each one. Basically, wala ko nagdako sa akong parents. Wala ko nagdako sa akong mother and father. So, when I was a kid, when I was 1 year old, nagdako na ako sa akong lola. So, pag dako sa akong lola, wala na jud koy kanang when I grew up, ako si lola jud ang nagkuan ako and all and everything. So, siguro pagkadako-dako na ako mga anak ko sa teens, ngato na ako nakita na akong parents, ang akong kuan, ang akong mother, akong father, sa mo visit sila. But the whole kanang kuan jud like every year, wala jud
So
lola
you
jud
didn't
ko.
really spend like
Wala jud. I never spent my youth, I never spent my toddler year, my teen years, and even sa akong pag-college years, wala jud ko spend sa akong parents. It's because sa lola jud ko nagdako. Akong lolog ako kay kuan jud me kanang together jud me.
Pero mong sisters, they spent time with your biological parents. Like,
Yes. Ngato
okay.
siya sila ako.
So, ikaw nagigikuha ni lola ni
Ako lang siya gikuha sa akong lola.
Oo.
So, and then, maraging, ngano ko na wako gibalik, wako gingan ana, whatsoever. I think, I cannot speak for my lola's behalf, kasi wala naman siya, no? Pero, I think, no, ang kanang, I was her, I was her, ano sa taga ni? Ambot story, I was her happiness, I think. I was her happiness, downfall.
You're
Seryoso kay ni.
bitaw, dili ka bang seryoso, B?
Correct.
Pero no, the second one is your relationship with your friends.
That is a nice discussion about relationship with friends. So, ako na say first. So, makaingon ko nga daghan kay kog friends.
Until now?
Daghan kog friends, it's because siguro sa kadugay na nako sa kalibutan.
No, because as well of kanang your experiences ba or imong career growth
Yes,
through the years.
Kuan kay ko, of course, I'm an extrovert person. I go out jud, I meet people, ana siya. So,
you actually do a lot of stuff and you wear a lot of hats, diba?
Exactly.
You do theater.
I do theater, and then of course
You're a
I
nurse.
was a nurse, and then pag na nag-BPO pa ko.
BPO,
Ana siya.
Chikadora,
Libakera.
Marites.
and
You're
all.
everything.
Yeah, that's why we're friends. Anyway, muna siya kanang daghan kog friends, and it turned out to be na kanang daghan akong friends. Nagyapon sila, pero na ko yung mga mayon kag kanang their level of friends or category of friends nga I consider. So there are friends of friends, there are friends as family, there are friends that are close to my heart, ana siya
And
kanang
acquaintances.
Daghan siya. Makayon siya ko daghan siya. So may lahi man gud ang akong approach sa friends. So kung makaiba ka na
So does that mean plastic ka? Just kidding.
Siguro.
So plastika na ng podcast.
Actually, ang among friendship ni Lyle actually plastic.
Plastic sad ko.
Kaya na siya. So
Going back. So you have a lot of friends.
I have a lot of friends. Nakoy friends sa theater, nakoy friends sa nursing nako, nakoy friends sa hospital sa akong pagka-nurse sa una, nakoy friends from college. Then nakoy friends from nakoy close friend of mine sa high school. Honestly, straightforward, I don't like my high school.
Mo ba?
I don't like my high school life.
It was like the best moment of my life.
For me, that was it wasn't the worst, but it wasn't something that I am happy about.
I think we talked about that before. You mentioned that it was during college when you felt like you had the freedom.
Yeah, I have the freedom. I have the
got to do everything.
I got to do everything, even though nursing is not my favorite course. So at least nakuha na ko ba. kanang sa tag-ani kanang na-express na ko in college. And then ang college na ko nga mga friends ang daghan karon. And then honestly kita wala ba jud connection. Wala jud dili ta sa college nakaila, dili ta sa nakaila jud ta through a friend because mo do ra tag volleyball. And all of a sudden we became close. And then we did this one podcast na. So in ana siya nga thought. And of course mga few people that I will really mention and you go close to my heart are my theater friends. Kaya Sarah, Shirley, and Dave, and Vincent, Vince. Kana sila. Shout out na nila. Kana sila. Who else? Kanina my theater friends are one of my closest friends, Jude.
But do you really agree nga the older you get, the smaller the circle?
Yeah, I do really agree. Because before, I have 50 friends and now I have only 10.
Gihap, gidi ay.
Dili. I'm not saying nga kanang koan ha, kay namili ko or ana sila nga, hala, bati ni siya nga friend.
It's part of, actually, of maturity.
Because
Not an
friends
adulthood.
just come and go. And then there are certain things nga even though you've been friends for 15 years or 20
For a
years,
long time.
it turned out to be goes down the drain.
Mm-mm.
Na actually mga stuff or na mga things nga na mo makarealize nga, oh, there are things na dili jud pwede nga magdugay ta or nanila jud ta kutob as friends.
Yes.
Hello,
And-
by the way, shout out sa my kind of mga friends, Cholo, sila. I mean, muna
Hi,
mga
Cholo.
friends.
Hi, Sarah.
Di ba sila, Sarah, sila. Shout out si Kwan nila, it's because they're big kwan sila, big part sila. They're a big part sa akong, should I say struggle with the past few years last year and this half of this year.
Sa challenges.
Yeah, challenges na sa life. And then especially you, who else, Ray, kitsa pa, minana siya.
Okay.
How about
That's
you?
good.
Your relationship with your friends?
My relationship with my friends. I mean, I also have a lot of friends from my high school, then some from elementary. Pero grabe naman yung elementary, epilon po. But high school, yes, grabe may ka-close sa akong classmates bash.
So
Like before,
you really love your high school life.
yes. Imagine,
That's good. That's good.
the moment nga ni-graduate me
Mm.
from high school,
Mm.
and then mag-reunion me every year and it only stopped because of pandemic. Yeah.
Yearly mo mag-reunion.
Yes, and then due to kanang lockdown and all that stuff, nag-virtual ang mga reunion. And then after that, kay murag nihina, and then nakita na po balik. But we're actually going magkita mi murag mga buang.
Wow. Shout out to your friends.
Yeah,
Who are
I
there?
have
Who are
friends from
they?
Negros.
Who are they?
Friends from all over the world, actually. I have some from France, Norway,
Diba?
Denmark.
Ganun ka
Actually,
mga
magkita na
international kag mga
Oo,
friends.
na mga Schengen visa holders.
Schengen, oh yes, correct. Hello, oy.
Nasa dito, magminaw sila, and then I also have friends from Negros, like sa akong hometown yun. And then here in Cebu, I have a lot, but then I also agree now, the older we get, the smaller the circle of friends that we have.
Correct.
And I think it's realizing that, okay, naagi bitaw times nga kanang we have so much fun, but there are also times nga, okay, we have misunderstandings nga maka-realize nga, okay, kanang murag,
Dili na lang
it's better off,
kakutob.
correct, nga ing anak ta.
Oh, kanang makakanta na dili.
Which is
na lang
kanang-
kakutob.
It's not that you have bad blood with them.
Exactly. Kana it's not because naamoy bugat igaawayan, naamoy gikuan giawayan. Pero
Di,
mana sa
nakikita ba tong-
ka-plastic nganong gihunong man jud nimo nga gihunong man jud yung friendship kung wala mo gikuan giawayan. Yes naamoy giawayan, na patch up, na sila yung misunderstanding, na patch up na sad. And then mura siya cycle ngayon ana na siya. And then it turned out to be na mura siya og kanang ma-fed up ka usahay. I don't know if fed up is a negative word.
Sakto naman siya.
Ma-fed up ka and then you decided na
Normal naman siya nga kapuyon kita.
mo ingon siya ka nga kanang I think atong friendship is kutob na lang diri.
Oh, and I think it's it's a healthy way of putting an end nga kanang okay, dili na lang siya takutob sa atong friendship. But then if we see each other,
Hi, hello.
hi, hello.
Mm.
Yeah. And then we might not be talking a lot just like
Yes,
we used to
to-
before.
Exactly.
But at least ba, we don't have kanabitong unsa na like imuhang grudges na
Nga ka nang wala kay kasakit towards that person.
ako honestly I have burnt some bridges
Mhm.
from my past friends, but I don't wish them bad luck or anything. When I see them on social media or when I see them in public, mutagad magid ko ba? Nara na nila. If I see them in public and I would still kay mutagad magid ko. And if ikaw mura kag na ilang kay ma-feel man ako.
Correct.
That's on you.
Oh, correct.
That's
Maldita, that's on you.
No, really. Oh, okay. Mutagad na magyamon ko. Bahala mo yung kag-plastic ka. Pero at least ako ba, mo reach out lagi hapon ko.
Ako at some point, no, in my life, nga kanang for example, na makita ni mga friends ka dugay na kayo and then murag guwan kay maana sa nga plastika na nimo hi hello whatsoever. Di ko maginipokrita, yes. Maplastikan jud ka. Maplastikan ka, it's because inigtanaw nimo niya, ma-recall jud nimo ang reason nga nung wa nimo nagka-friends. Diba?
So, ano ni siya, I'm gonna ask you, is it better nga when you see each other in public, magkiplastikan ka or ignore na lang, di mo tag doon? Which one is better? Do you think?
Besh. So if you're talking about me and my personality, mulikay jud ko.
Okay.
As much as possible, mulikay ko.
But what do you think is better?
Why? Why? Muni siya. It's because kung kung kalit-kalit siya nga, you bump each other face to face, wala na jud kay ko. Wala na kay choice but to smile. Just smile, say hi, hello, and then at pag humanan na, ma-surpass na ganito mo siya, mag-back to back na ganito mo, nga ito na ka maka-feel nga, okay, it's done. Nga siya. Pero kung as much as possible, mana nga kanang layo pa, mana kala si Kuan. So ako as much as possible, kung kanang murag, mulikay ko diri, bukan ko diri.
Actually, nga naman sa ako, pero if you don't have any option to actually escape in a situation, like if you're in the same room with each other, nga kanang nag-abot na yung yung mata, I don't want to be the person nga mo ignore because I don't want that person to think, hala, naa pa siya bad feeling, di ay kay wala man gid siya.
But so, there are friends sa baya nga miski nag-meet na mo eye to eye, di jud mo tagani mo, and you know that. And then pag mo agi
actually okay ra ko besh.
Diba?
Muan ako nga. Or muan ako, hi. Nya, dili gid siya. Again, that's on you.
Ikaw sadla, okay ba, I think we've been friends for how many years not friends?
I don't know.
More than 4.
More than 5.
Before pandemic
6 years na ganing uban diha.
Huh?
Anniversary. So, di ba?
6 pics for 6 years and you overlap. At ito daw. Kaya siya, kasi tagani ka nang, muna siya kanang, I think it's 7 to 8 years na nga friends. Kanang, conjug ko, kanang, expressive ba ako? For example, dito ko ganun, itong naong, makuan siya nato, mabasa siya nato. So, for example, si Kuan, kita ka ni Kuan, agi lang ta.
Pero honestly, actually, I have to also, kanang, ako, case-to-case basis, kay naaday ko isa po nga, kailag yun nga, until now nga kanang, it's better nga, di mo magkita, because I think if makita na ko siya,
makumot ni mo ang
Dili man makumot, pero di ko pwede makipalstikan.
Okay, you have that kind of friend.
Oo, and then sa ko ganahan mag to feel bad, nga kung makita na ko siya, galagot ko, kay murag, atay ba ano?
Ako kay na ko yun nga feeling karon nga kanang murag is better off dili lang sa Jimmy makita. Because it's not that I don't want to see his or her face. It's just that I don't want to recall what happened to us.
What happened to your friendship?
Mura jud na siya. What happened to our friendship because mahinayang masagod ko. I'm not really a bitch, guys. Kanang kuan lang jud ko kanang kanang dili lang ko kanang di ko ganahan nga dili pa jud ko super heal to a point nga ako na lang siyang pugson inana. So because in the first place it went down or it went sour in your friendship. It's because both of you or siya ako sad hurt me.
Okay, yes.
And then hurt is a negative thing. So imo jud na i-process mo heal ka na, and then for me I'm still in the process of healing.
Okay, you owe it to yourself, diba? To heal. And it's actually really okay to cut ties with people for your own sake, for your mental health, diba?
Yes, exactly.
Instead of actually like forcing it and pretending to be okay, where in fact deep inside you're hurting.
But how are your status now with your friends? With your few friends?
Okay, actually, grabe ka okay. Okay? And, as we get older, we don't really talk a lot. But when we communicate, like, actually, magsige na lang sa reels, magsige react, and then message gamay, if na yung mga controversy online, whatsoever, things to talk about, then we message, and then sometimes magkita kay wala issue at all.
Correct.
With my small circle of friends who are genuine, and I feel like they are my friends for life. Mga anak bitaw.
Correct.
Kanang mga anak ko nga kani siya nga friend kanin for life na gini siya.
Kanya for life na siya.
Makaingon ka anak, di ba?
Makaingon nga. Makaingon sa ko nga kanin anak. For example,
Pero sa imo murag di ko kaingon nga friend ta for life.
Di masagad ko feeling ganina ko nga friends ta karon ra ang last.
Sa mga plastika lagi ta.
Yes. Hindi ka bang wa gani ko kibaw nga dugay na dit nga friends. So nagpinasticker ta the whole 8 years, 7
Actually
years.
gi-block man ako na siya.
Ako sad, actually, wag yun ako siya gi-block. Gidaot siya na ako siya. Dagan kong videos. Charot lang. But, di ba, remember, we have friends before nga kanang pandemic times. And then, karon wala na.
Natay mga mutual friends ni Shing. I think okay naman siya. Nga it happened.
Yeah, correct.
And we have reconnected with some. Oo.
Ma-happy na ba sad ka?
Oh, actually, may invite na mo ang mga friends na mo in the past had din nga podcast in the future. Hala, guba imong now. Bitaw, that's true. So enough with the friendship. Let's go ahead and talk about.
You don't want to dig in with friends, you know. You really want to dig in with the relationship with someone. Sige.
Okay.
Let's go now. Go straight to this topic. So are you in a relationship right now, Lyle?
I am in a complicated relationship.
Oh.
Yes.
How complicated? Charot lang.
Yeah. Maura na siya.
You're in a complicated ka. Bitaw such. So, how many years na mo together? Hala, di ba? Bonda.
Tanggal.
No, she?
Pilang ka years. By the way, I'll have to say it again. I'm still in a relationship.
But how many years?
We've been together for over 5 years.
More or
less.
More or less 5 years.
Hindi mo kabawi. Yeah.
Over 5 years. Karoon po kibaw. Charot.
Yes.
Over 5 years. So
you've been with that journey since the beginning.
Yeah, I know.
And you were the first few people nga gisultian ako nga, oh my God, Bash.
Correct.
And that was during New Year's.
Yes, that's it.
And that's why our anniversary is
New Year.
Yeah. New Year ang anniversary.
So muna siya. So are you happy with the relationship?
At times, I really can't say that I'm happy all the time in a relationship or with my current relationship. Like I said, it's complicated. There are times nga lisod good siya, but there are also a lot of happy moments, and I think that's actually one of the things that I'm holding on to, or one of the reasons why I'm still in this relationship, because of kanang everything that I've invested in, but not financially really, but it's part of it. But like the time, the relationship I invested with my family, with him.
So you mean to say that it's not about the two of you money hold on ka. It's because the investment, the connection that he did to your family and ano.
Natanggal gid siya, Bash.
Okay na. Kanin ano ba? Na siya meaning.
Na siya meaning.
No? Gibundak
Dili na siya mo-hold on. Dili,
So,
kanang, actually, kanang confused ko, pero okay naman ko actually. I just wanna cool it off.
Sa imong crop top, di ako na-confused pa siya ka?
Huwag sa akong dako nga tiyan, na-confused pa ko. Pero, akong relationship right now, umura siya ka ng smooth sailing, but there are really times nga na ay heavy nga dagko nga mga balud. Big waves in a relationship.
In which dili
those things are inevitable. No, it's inevitable. And shitty things happen good. And we really can't control nga mahitabo na siya, especially if you're living together, just the two of you in the same roof for 5 years. And then you don't have anyone else. Like, I have you guys, like, not on a daily basis, 24 hours a day.
Okay.
But I'm with him 24 hours a day. I was na lang kayo.
Oh my God.
No, kasi
anyway.
balay ba? So,
so meaning to say you're not living together anymore.
Unsa man siya? I don't know how to put it
into words.
Oh, into words.
Basta man, ani na lang, siguro you're not living together 24/7, but maani lang siya. Unsa man, maani lang siya.
Narami ka ng
nanamoy ka na mo, come up mo
set
ka
up.
ng set up.
Which actually okay ra gid me. Totally okay. But there are just misunderstandings.
Apil man jud na.
Yes, it's really part of the
I mean,
relationship.
if you want to rate your relationship now, 1 is the least na jud or least important to you, or 10 is the very important to you. Asa man mga range ana 1 to 10.
Because if that is actually a weighing scale, since the relationship is very inconsistent, kuan gid siya magdagandagan ang weighing scale. So there's no specific or exact nga rate.
Isa o kalang what di siya mo stop ana
Probably around mudagan siya mga wala siya sa 4.5, then paduna po siya sa 9. Magana siya. So it's not consistent.
Okay.
And so that's why I can't really give you an exact rating of my current
Okay.
relationship.
So at least kanang mo fluctuate siya every time magkita mo ana. So
I'm okay. We're still working on it. And hopefully time will tell.
So for 5 years, ang imong family side sa imo, family members, relatives, kailan niya?
Yes.
They're
Definitely.
close sila.
Yes, gabi sila ka-close akong
And
father.
vice versa.
No, unfortunately.
Unfortunately.
Mas close siya sa akong family than I am with his family. Sa akong family, magud kay gabi sila ka-close akong father, and also kana bitong sometimes mas pangitaon or pangitaon siya when I go somewhere nga kanang na mga sa akong mga relatives po diri pangitaon gid siya na mga lakaw.
But you were introduced, or you were kanang you
Yes.
joined a specific kanang party or
Sa ila,
sa
ha?
ila?
Yes.
Si mong partner?
Maihap
okay.
pa gid siya.
Maihap ra siya.
Maihap siya sa usara ka kamot actually.
So katulura. So how do you feel about it? Kanang inana
Ha?
dili siya equal ang inana ba?
If you're gonna ask the younger Lyle, gabi ko kakuan, mas ko kay kuan na. But then the older I got or the older I get, kanang ma-realize na ko nga kanang dili man gyud mo ma-force, because some family
Very conservative.
they have their own
They have their own idea of relationship.
My
Wala
God.
sad. Hilok.
Dili uy.
Ay,
No, it's just that naabot ako sa naabot ako sa point. Before man good, I mean, I've been with a lot of relationships now. And then karon, although when we started, it was part of the conversation ba nga, unsa man ning ana. But now naabot ako sa point nga ikaw na bahala eh. I'm not even gonna force you. They're not really like an integral part of our relationship anyway, and we can survive without them, or even without my family. We can survive or not with our relationship. But I understand as well nga naagay mo factor in gid ang family sometimes in terms of like decision making.
Yes. And then second said, longevity sa inyong relationship ba na di man mo 5 years ago no, so murag appeal na unta na siya na the family is included, na kanang murag they accept you for who your partner is, they accept who will be the love of the life of your son or your daughter, ana siya ba? So
But I understand that.
Sad.
I also understand that this is just a phase probably, because ako man yung first transgender woman, a girlfriend, and his past relationships are like cisgender women and being introduced to the family and all. So I understand the struggle, but at the same time struggle lagi pag 5 years, pero mo ana gid ko nga din ako, I'm just gonna shake it off and let it kuan ba,
so
let time tell.
Is it okay to say that you're in a open relationship now, or
Dili ko ka ba?
exclusive gyapon jud mo? Do you
Exclusive ko ba?
do
Dili kay
you
kumakuan man.
do you consider this relationship as an exclusive relationship? Okay ra ka dili mo magkita pila ka days pinana okay ra
Yes.
ka na. Okay.
Mao na mo ang setup karon actually.
Okay. So ikapila din nimo
Para
siya nga bayu.
kalma. Mine?
Bayu is uyab ha.
Murag ako na lagi nag-interview ay unsa ni?
Di ikapila nimo nga bayu. Ay, real bayu.
One. Hang on.
Ganun ko mag-name drop ka.
Ako lagi akong i-bleep.
Muna siya. So
Wait,
that means ako.
3? No.
Ako pa maka-plus 6 sa
5?
ba?
Ay,
Ako
dili
mo
ko
count.
sakto. Wait.
Ako kayo mo count.
Mga 5.
Five.
Or probably,
So ika-fifth siya.
of course, as in I'm in a current relationship, as in ako kabit.
Ikaw pa.
No. Currently, yes. Around that number. But I really can't
Oh, say,
recall.
di gali ka ka-call kung kinsa siya in a
So I'm
relationship
trying to
siya
recall
mo.
because my first one was in 2011. 2012 was my first relationship with a guy. Oh, would you go in a relationship with a girl? But anyway, yeah. Muna akong first in relation 2012.
With a guy, di ay? Oh my God, I'm really sorry, guys. With a guy? Abin ako with a girl. Ganala,
No.
abin ako nagpa-long hair lang siya ka.
Seryoso ka among podcast, ay di ko ganahan animan.
So anyway, wala siya.
Okay, no. Hang on. So I'm done with my,
Thank you so much for
Ito.
this wonderful Anja
I'm done with my
discussion.
part. So
Yeah.
I want to ask the same questions to you, huh?
Ano sa mga
so-
question?
Are you currently in a relationship?
With my family?
With someone. Remember, your family's gonna watch this episode as well. I don't think he's gonna share this in stories or anywhere. Are you currently in a relationship with someone?
Kung sa akong part, I think yes.
Dili ka mamakakikabaw ko. So ako rin mo isulti.
Yes. I am in a relationship.
So this is, of
What
course,
is this
straight guy, right?
No. A straight girl.
Straight guy.
Yeah.
I've met him.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I met him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Straight relationship with a guy, and then, how long naman mo?
If I Padong na 2 years.
And how's your relationship with him currently?
Currently, kuan na it's because if kuan siya, if same as you, if a younger Shane would answering that question, man ako nga it's not okay. Because kanang si Tony, the visibility, meaning not just physically nga makita nimo siya, visibility meaning through messaging and it's very kanang limited or usay sa usa ka week wala di mi ka communicate. But however, kuan siya kung karon
Before you continue, why?
Di mi ka communicate. I think both of us have this kind of kuan ba nga, we still have this individuality na we uphold, like you do your thing and I do my thing, and then we don't need to update each of us na this is what I do now, this is what I did yesterday, and wala mi na ng obligation. It's and I'm the person sad nga nag-una-una ana.
Why?
Because for my past relationships, Lyle, it was like that. I was the one who's very kanang kuan kayo to obliged to kalbang muhatag og mga updates and it for me it doesn't work anymore. So I think mo to nga di na kay kumukuan and then of course with the current status that I have right now, it's very difficult to be involved or to be with him 24/7
Because
kuan siya kanang I'm on this position right now. I'm on my life right now na kanang I really need to push more about what I want or push more about
you want to focus on yourself.
I want to focus on myself. But he's one of the factors why I focus on myself.
Is that being selfish?
I really don't know. It is. Do you think it is selfish? Like but he knows man nga kanang struggling ko. He knows nga kanang struggle ko sa akong life, like sa halos all aspects in my life, like
midlife crisis,
mentally, minanatanan and all. So murag makakuan siya nga kanang makasabot asad siya. But in a way, ako sad usay nga do I still have a partner?
Do you also feel bad about it? Na kanang dili mo siya ma-entertain?
Yeah, I feel bad about it, and kuan siya kanang kuan maguti ko sa una, kung i-compare ako sa una ug karon, sa una man jud grabe jud ko nga kanang katoy nung sa una mo ana ko nga kanang let's go let's ana ako jud ang push kayo mo adto jud ko man ana ang kaya kinon ang gahinon ang kanang murag di ko pwede ana na karon opposite may ba ka lang ako lang di sa karon di sa ana
taas kag
hairline
nami sa parlor
di ana and then complicated sa gamay. It's because he's a straight guy, and then decided I don't want to divulge or kind of more about siyang
No,
side.
lagi siya. Dili ka mo divulge. Ako, okay, so how's your relationship with his family?
Oh my God.
You asked me that question. Ato na ihunong
My family,
Your family.
of course, wala na ba ka parents, wala na akong
Okay.
mother, wala na akong father, wala na sila akong lola.
But his family,
Uh,
are they aware?
no.
Okay.
I haven't met any.
Mm.
Wala na. I think they're not aware.
And are you okay with it?
Through time, makaingunan ko nga,
Basta
na-immune
makagore
ako.
lagi ka, no? Basta makagore ka and then you went through a lot of relationships.
Na-immune na dyan ko.
Maturity actually is when you realize nga, dili na guna siya mag-matter nga kanang mga anak.
Oh, for me,
For as long as you both exist,
exactly. And then kanang it's not part of my checklist anymore.
Mm.
Na i-introduce pa ko,
But it's
kantuan
nice,
pa ko.
di ba?
It's nice.
Mm-mm.
It would be a good feeling, but that until na lang ana nga feeling. It's a good feeling, but it's not on my checklist.
Mm-mm.
Why? It's because I really don't want to be criticized. I don't want to be the topic, and I don't want him to answer things for me
Mm.
if questionin siya.
So how do you feel about couples like anang LGBT couples on social media? You see nga very open, accepted with their with both families. How do you feel
I'm
about
happy for them.
plastic?
Yeah,
You
actually,
are.
I'm happy for them. I'm very proud na
Nga naaging ana, no?
Naging ana.
Actually, I also had few relationships sa past nga accepted.
Mm.
Like I was introduced and all, but currently,
Oh,
layo po siya.
yeah, I have that.
Uh-uh.
Oh, yeah, na ako'y, I think one
Mm.
relationship.
But how's your sex life with your current relationship?
Wa ko kapangutan na ni mo, ana. Naunan siya ko ni mo.
And mo na akay, mo na ko sa ako, so you can't ask me the same question anymore.
Yeah, my sex life with my current
Mm-mm.
relationship.
Because you expressed manggod nga, you guys don't see each other that often, diba?
Mm.
And I'm just wondering how that works in terms of like sexual stuff.
It's not a priority.
But does it exist?
Sex for me now is not
It's
part.
a yes or no
Saman.
question.
It does exist
Does it exist?
lately.
Yes or no?
No.
No, but does
Oh, nitabog ako, yes or no.
does it
Ako,
exist
no.
in your relationship? Do you guys have
Woo!
sex life?
Sex life?
Uh,
I don't want to. Oh my God. Gipalingot. First time ko gipalingot ali nga episode. Wala, grabe na yung hot
exist siya sa
seat.
inyong relationship since inception of the relationship? Or have you guys naanay may tabo ninyo, right?
Mm.
Yung tuwang, Kamo ka, he really just wants to stop this and nagpaon ako niya. Because he was na,
Wala ko na
wala siya nakapangutan.
Wala mo kapangutan niya ako.
Was, dili ka sa ako.
Grabe, oily na good kayo. Aside from being oily, kaya electric pala ka,
No.
tubang kayo, Lyle.
Stop changing
What
the
just happened?
topic. Answer the question. Exists as a relationship.
Oo, na-exist.
Okay.
But it dili frequent.
But ay tabo siya. So when you see let's just say, makita mo tomorrow or makita mo later,
Dili siya
unsay normal nga scenario.
if ever makita me. Makita me.
Umara siya nga. Hi.
Hi, hello. Anana,
How
ana.
unsay mo ma-feel?
Hug, anana.
No, answer my
Kasi
question.
ako mapino.
Unsay ma-feel mo siya? I miss you.
Oh, wala, I miss you too.
Ah! Unsay yung ma-feel?
Kung hikapon ko,
Ah.
of course, kung ba na siya, love language, ba ng touch,
Okay.
diba? So, depende na.
Na yung mga sensation.
Depende if na.
Okay.
And then, kibaw ka, namang times nga being ready for him is not being ready for me. Being ready sa ako, is not ready for him. Kaya ano ba, mag-clash. Sa kadugay, siguro when we mature, ma-sense ni mo ba na if your partner is
Ganahan
into
siya
it or he's
or
not
not.
into it.
Okay.
Inana siya. So, basically, man, nakag-sex life, mingon kog ka ng kuan, technically, no. Dili kay siya bugat for me now. Because why? Because dili man namo siya frequent ginabuhat. Kana siya.
But are you, because it's not that frequent when you're ginabuhat, tao ra man kita. It's part of our needs.
Pero disclaimer
When
na
you feel
ako,
like-
virgin pa ako.
Char,
At-
makaatas ato mga maminaw
At-
di ka
at- at-
friends
magiging-
nimo.
What was that again?
If you feel things like that, nga kanang mag-agev,
Mag-again?
makaingon ka kanang na makapangita kag lain. Just to get the
Mag-agev ko?
satisfaction. Oo.
So, kanang
Ginalaglag ng giti ka, basically.
mag-give ko,
Oo.
mangita ko lain.
Do you feel the need of actually looking for someone? Because di ba ni mo makuha sa imong current?
No, I don't.
Okay.
Kuan kay ko, I'm very,
Demure.
No. Dili sa demure, kasi dili man siya ko demure. Dili lang ko
You're
promiscuous.
Ah.
Di ba, friends?
Ah? Makaatas yung mga friends. So maura na siya, Bash. No?
Grabe kay.
Di full stop. Wala na ako.
Grabe
Wala
na siya
ba
kayo.
ma-contribute?
Pero wala siya, I really don't know if you tell me what are your relationship with your family. We could discuss it again. Sa mong you could comment on our YouTube channel
And
about
does
it.
sex really matter in a relationship?
Does
Do you
sex
think-
really matter?
If I'm gonna ask you that question, does it really matter?
Unsa man yun siya nga question?
Like in a relationship, does it really matter to have sex?
Ako straight sa akong relationship
Like in
or in general. In general, part siya pero dili jud siya totally the core.
Okay.
Di ko maging hipokrita.
Oo.
Kay unsa tawag ni mo to sa hipokrita kay bait ma-give baya or whatsoever. Ano siya imo ng preference. And then I have my fair shares of a give. I have my fair shares of biga. But now if we talk about my relationship now, so I'm practicing na kanang wala jud as of the moment nga ako sa relationship.
Okay.
I'm not saying I will not do that. Plastic kasi
Correct.
ko, 'di ba?
True.
I will not say na I'm a very demure, mindful, and
Virgin.
very virgin na kuan nga di siya mo buhat ana. Excuse me. Pero as of now, dili lang ko ganahan mo buhat ana. Dili lang siya, di na ko siya priority. I don't know, it's because daghan kog priorities karon nga gihunahon na, and then that one is the least one for now. Kana siya. So mo-watch na lang kag mga kuan.
Mga norps. Diba? Sa karaan pang bold.
How about you? How's your sex life? Ay!
Thank you guys for listening.
Okay lang, at least ba di po
Pero
kayo.
active ako.
Gamay lang. Active yung sex life
Yes.
with another guy?
No.
Oh, at least hindi yung sex life.
Yes.
Correct.
Maura siya. Diba? Sa'yo na siya tubagon.
Correct.
Ikaw kay magalisod pa ka.
Di
Muna
naglisod
ka-
ko. Naglisod ko.
You're holding-
Naglisod ko it's because sa tagani ang imong mga relationship dugay na. Ang among relationship is kanang bago pa siya but then I don't know how to gauge it ba. Maglisod ko gauge. If you want to ask me kung unsa man jud,
Don't
ako
worry.
rin nakaibaw o siya rin nakaibaw or kami lang duha nakaibaw, feeling ako kami lang duha nakaibaw.
Correct. And don't worry, isal man ako ng link sa iyang boyfriend para makatanaw. Para matanaw yun sa episode. I'm just kidding.
Di ko lang siya. It's because
I'll leave it to you,
kanang
or
kwan siya,
discretion.
kanang dili pa jud kayo. Kaya ba ang foundation sa among relationship is not kanang kuan. It's
And I
not,
respect that.
it's not that strong pa. Pero man sa ka nga if you ask about labels, I already asked him about it.
Okay.
And of course, we have labels already. And then if you want to ask
So you
if
can really confirm and tell and say to the public nga
Yeah.
you're
Oh,
really in a
in a
relationship with him.
and
And
then
it's not
kung mana
just,
siya nga the gesture
char-char.
saying nga kanang I love you or minani nga gagmin ana of course
Mm.
nani ana nga bantering kada may
Mm.
inana nga mga musulti sa siya ana so maka-feel sa ko nga okay so that means to say we're in a relationship
Mm-mm.
so more na siya that's enough for me and that is for me ha kung inyo para sa inyo dili pa na enough for you lahi sad mo pero yun ani ang akong kuan but of course I'm just sharing it it's because basig na ay makarelate sa ako nga maglisod jud og explain it's because it's a very difficult status or if it's difficult situation lalo na if you're in a relationship with a straight guy so lisod siya i-gauge pero say it's a straight guy as well diba
Mm-mm.
pero nakakuan lang jud it's because dugay naman mo and then na-reach mo sa point nga ni break ninyo ang barrier between you two na involved na ang inyong families and all so
Yes, but it wasn't easy at first, Kid Bash.
who said
And-
it's easy
correct.
Bash?
Especially
wala
if-
siya easy
if it's his first time,
Mm-mm.
'di ba? Sa imo,
Ikaw siya yung first, diba?
oo, ikaw
Actually, ako sa
mao
first.
gani, that's why to those kanang mga maminaw no nga same namo nga who wants to be in a relationship with straight guys, you have to understand that they have to go through a phase
Exactly.
or process of really accepting a shit.
And then we have
Kanang-
we have this kanang kwan ba kanang kita kanang pride sa ato nga mabit-bit gani nimo imong bayu with together with your
Oo.
friends.
So don't
Pride
force
kaayo.
them.
Oh, kana
And then let them undergo that process.
i-process pa
because-
jud na nila.
Oo.
Lisod.
Lisod na sa di-accept
Mm.
at first.
Mm.
But then, for as long as you can assure nga, love ka niya, no?
That-
And then, along the way,
Yes.
may tabo ra gina siya tanan.
That's why I'm really happy and proud of those couple with having a straight partner na i-post mo,
Mm-mm.
ikuan mo sa social media. I'm really, really happy for it. Walay ka plastikan. Masuya ko. Honestly, masuya ko. It's because kung if I were on your shoes, ngayon, ana pa akong edad, ganahan ko yung naonsad ko. Pero of course, when we grow old, when we mature enough, and when we can, it's not
Hindi na siya mag-matter.
it's not the basis anymore.
Mm-mm.
It's how the relationship runs every day,
Mm-mm.
and then how you adjust and how you can manipulate the situation all the time. Kay dili tanan jud pwede jud nimo masyagit sa mga tao nga ako ba yun ni siya,
Mm-mm.
akong kuan ni siya.
Sinasakto, actually, sa tanan sad na akong na boyfriend, wala mang ready dayon nga kanang pagkauyab niya ready na siya to show
Yes.
in public. Kanang naapagi times nga na hesitation ba at first nga kung dadun mo sa public, wow pa, dili pa kayo dili pa kayo showy, which is actually okay. And then while you wait along the way, they would feel comfortable of showing you in public and then i-post ka sa social media kay karon magmatter namang ginaang i-post.
Correct.
Before sa ako upod, dili pa siya ready kana akong current until such time mo na kiver na i-post di whatever.
Ako sad
No?
karon ang current mananghid ko kung i-post ako iyang now. And then mo ana gyud siya sige i-post.
But karon?
I-post ko. Karon ang kani siya.
So okay
Mananghid
siya.
siya ko niya nga
But
kanang
nabot
ana.
pa sa time at first dili pa siya ganahan gyud. Or you didn't even
Dili
bother
ni ana
kay makasabot
ni
ka.
ana ra siya nga kanang pwede di lang sa.
Okay.
I understand. Mo
Yes.
sa mo ana bash. Kay
Correct.
dili ni mo kung ipanglagtakan jud nimo ipalantaran jud nimo sa tanang tawo.
What for?
Dili, what for? And then para sa ila, giganggang na
Mm.
Ow! Hi Bash.
Ay,
Oh my God. Doon siya ta. So what happened to us?
So we didn't realize that the microphone was actually dead
Yeah, so we're talking
towards the end of
all
our
throughout the
conversation earlier.
Yes, we're talking all throughout the conversation, the end part of the conversation, and then wala di tayo microphone.
Yeah, there are actually a lot of things that we missed, but it would be so fake if we would still be talking
It again.
right?
So I think we already discussed about our relationships with our parents, our friends, and as well as our partners in life. So I think that's it. If you want to comment about anything about your relationship with somebody, especially your parents, your friends, or someone na even though dili nimo karelasyon, anything, any relationship is very important man sad.
Correct.
Katong kagalingan. So
And as always, thank you so much for the support. We'll be uploading this episode on Tuesday,
yes.
on both Spotify and YouTube. So you guys should subscribe. And we don't know what we'll be talking about next week. Mag-brainstorm na sad mi niya. After sa brainstorm, what na sad mi
May
ma-come up.
microphone. What's that? The microphone is it was na charge. But anyway, thank you so much for supporting. And then the better is kana mas nindot siya if you have comments, because I think if you comment, marag nga na may makakita ba nga you're very interested with the topics that we're talking about.
Correct.
So muna siya.
Ma-inspire sa tagbuhat sa atong content.
May inspired buhat sa content, and then all of a sudden happy sad mi magbasa og mga comments. So that's it.
Yeah, once
I
again,
think.
this is live.
And this is Shane, and you're listening to UCSP. Let's check sa parlor ang mic.
See ya.
Bye-bye.